Now let's talk about what is the difference between a vision and mission statement. In a vision statement, it provides a picture what the organization wants to become or achieve in the future, while the mission is explain why the organization exists and what it does to achieve its vision. In terms of focus, vision is future-oriented and aspirational, while mission is present-oriented and actionable. In the vision, the time frame is 10 years or more years ahead, while the mission is short to medium term, focusing on the current state and immediate goals. Example of a vision is to be the global leader in sustainable energy solutions, while in the mission statement is to provide innovative and affordable renewable energy solutions that improve the quality of life for communities worldwide. Thank you and happy learning.